Okay, I am just going to start with paragraph number 6. And she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro. Little girl Kezia was dragged down from the stairs to her father where he was pacing to and fro. It means where he was walking here and there with full of anger. With this full of anger. Well, he said sharply. Mother explained. He stopped and stared at the child. Well, he said sharply. He sharply said, well done. You have done good. Mother explained, and he stopped and stared at the child. He stopped and stared at the child. Do that. Then he asked, "Did you do that? क्या आपने ये किया?" No, no, no. She whispered. She whispered slowly. She said slowly, "No, I didn't do." Mother go up to her room and face down the damn thing. And then mother go up to her room and face down the damn thing. Damn thing is the tiered paper that were filled, that were stuffed into the cushion. See that the child's put to where this is stand. And in this moment, this was put to at the child's bed. Crying too much. Crying, crying too much to explain. She lay in the shadowed room, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. Crying too much to explain. Her crying was too much to explain that she was laid in the shadow room, watching the evening light that was making a sad little pattern on the floor of the room. Have you seen sometime when sunlight came into our room, it make different types of the pattern. It make different types of the pattern when it entered from the windows. What is the pattern of windows design? It always make the pattern of shape. You have seen many times. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. Then the little girl's father came into room with a ruler in his hands. I am going to beat you for this, he said. Then he said, I am going to beat you for this mistake, for this uh, blunder that you have tore up my important paper, so I am going to beat you. Oh, no, no, she screamed. She screamed, oh, no, no. I am not ready for this. Oh, no, no, she screamed, hiding under the bedclothes. The little girl was hiding herself under the bedclothes and said, no, 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 father, you can't do to me. He pulled them aside. Then the father pulled the bedcloth aside and sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. Sit up, he ordered. Then he ordered and hold out your hands. Father ने order किया, first you sit up and hold out your hands. Make out your hands. You must be taught once for and for all not to touch it what does not belong to you. And he said, you must be taught once. ये आपको एक बार बताना जरूरी है. You are needy to told that for all not to touch what does not belong to you. You should not touch anything that does not belong to you. But it was for your birthday. Then the little girl said, but it was for your birthday. She was trying to convince her father. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. But down came the ruler on her little pink palm. But at that moment, the ruler came on her little pink palm. And hours later, hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair. After an hour, when grandmother came and had wrapped her in a shawl, grandmother wrapped the little girl in a shawl and rocked her on a rocking chair and made sit up her on a rocking chair. The child clung to her soft body. Then the child clung to her soft body, her grandmother's soft body. What did God make fathers for? Then she asked, she sobbed when she was sobbing, when she was crying bitterly and taking long breath. She asked her grandmother, what did God make father for? गॉड व्हाई डिड गॉड मेक फादर्स भगवान ने फादर्स को किस लिए बनाया क्यों बनाया हियर्स अ क्लीन हैंकी डार्लिंग ब्लो योर नोज एंड गो टू स्लीप पेट you will forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. Then the grandmother said, here's a clean hanky. Yellow a clean hanky, darling, my dear granddaughter, and blow your nose. Clean your nose and go to sleep. Go to sleep on your bed. And pet, my dear, you will forget all about in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen. Then the little girl said, I tried to explain the father, but he was not ready to listen. But the child never forgot. But the child never forgot. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and red color flew into her cheeks. Whenever next time. But the child never forgot this incident. And but the child never forgot next time she saw him, whom to her father she quickly put both her hands behind. Why? Because she was feared that he can beat her hands on by the ruler. And red color flew into her cheeks. Every time red color flew into her cheeks. Next paragraph. The McDonald's lived next door. They had 5 children. And who was the neighboring person named McDonald lived next to her door. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag. Tag means children's game for catching one another in the evening. When little girl was looking from the gap in the boundary wall to the neighbor's house, she saw they had 5 children. They all were playing the tag game all together. Father with the baby, and their father was also with the baby. Mao on his shoulders. Mao on his shoulders.